Hi guys, just a quick video today. I hope you all had a good break. You'll watch this short video, then a second one that wasn't made by me, and then do a really quick Google form. Okay, a couple of things to write down. There's a couple of vocab words today, so make sure you're taking notes either in that online science journal or in your notebook. A natural resource is any material that humans can use that comes directly from nature. So trees, water, metal, those are all examples of natural resources. You can pause this if you need a little bit more time to write that down. Another vocab word or phrase, this is human-made resources. These are obviously materials that humans are making. Usually made out of natural resources. So phones and paper, those are human-made resources that are coming from natural resources, but not natural resources themselves. And then last two for today, a renewable resource is a resource with a short replacement time, and a non-renewable resource is a resource with a long replacement time. So the next video that you're going to watch is going to talk a little bit more about that and what that means. But we generally think of a short replacement time as something less than a human lifetime. So for example, my plants in my living room, those are renewable resources because they can regrow in less than my lifetime, significantly less than my lifetime in that case. So they're renewable resources. Things that aren't renewable resources or that are non-renewable resources have a replacement time that's longer than a human lifetime or much longer. So for example, fossil fuels like gas, which we use for our cars, that's a non-renewable resource because it took millions and millions of years to make that gas. So that's definitely a non-renewable resource. That doesn't mean that it could never be renewed, but we won't know if it will be renewed because it'll be millions of years before there will be more. Okay, so let's go over a couple of examples. Human-made, renewable, or non-renewable? I want you to think to yourself and then I'll give the answer. So for coal, that is non-renewable. That's one of those resources that takes millions of years to replace itself. A phone, that is obviously a human-made resource. Wood, this is a renewable resource. Trees can usually replenish themselves in less than a human lifetime. Eggs. These are renewable. Eggs can, when chickens lay eggs every day, like an individual chicken can lay an egg every day. Takis. Takis don't grow on trees, so those are human-made resources. I think that's it. Oh, last one, wheat. Wheat is a renewable resource because it grows in about one season. All right, that's it for this video. Go ahead and watch the other video that goes a little bit more in depth on renewable and non-renewable resources, and then fill out the Google form.